Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson EcoTank L4360. So first type Epson EcoTank L4360 and then type the driver, okay, and then hit enter. After that you can see this first link epsons.co.in support. Just click on it. Scroll down, select the operating system, Windows 8, 7, all the operating system you can see, and select the Windows 10 if you are, and if you are using Windows 11, so you can install the Windows 10 driver, it will work. Okay, select this, then extract, click on driver. Okay, send. So you can see the Windows 10 printer driver, this is, and you can see this is scanner driver. Okay, so I show you one by one. Just click to download. Scroll down. I agree to software license agreement. Just click to download, and you can see the OS, the Windows 10 also support this. Okay, and this is version, and this is size. Okay, and click to download. After that you can see it will start download in the download box L4360. Then it is completed. Just single click to open, and then click yes for the administrator rights. Now you can see it is running unzipping, and okay, so set default. If you want to set default, update automatically, this is unchecked, do not update automatically. And if you want to update automatically this software, so it will check and set default also there, and then click to OK. So it is installing, it will take some time. After that guys, you can see there are two options. First, yes, the networks, and you can search. So when you connect the network and your printer already connected with the LAN and Wi-Fi, if not, you can connect. Okay, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. After that, click to search options. Okay, so if you know about this printer model number, and you can see, so select the printer model and specific IP, then click OK. Otherwise search, you can see, so you just click to search. Okay, like that, and after that click to OK, it will search and detect. Okay, so if you want to install the USB, so select the USB and then click to OK. So it, when you connect to printer, so it will detect. Okay, then next to install. Okay, yeah, and also if not find, and you can select the manually. So but this is critical case, you can connect in the manually, but you have to connect this by the via the USB, so it will be work. Then guys, after that restart and then check it. So your issue has been printer is also connected. Okay, the printer device is successfully ported and configured or completed successfully. Then click to OK and then restart and then check it. Thank you.